Inspect History by Adam Giru. I hope I'm saying that right. If you've ever made a mistake in Unity and you can't remember the action that caused that mistake and you've spent hours upon hours backtracking to find that mistake, fret no more. This is a game changer. This is the ultimate tool that every world builder, avatar creator, and common uploader should have in their Unity arsenal. This is Inspector History. With this tool, you will never lose your place in a project ever again. This little window, though it's small in size, is huge in making an impact on your life and making your life less stressful when it comes to dealing with what you've already done in Unity. There's a GitHub link. It's free. It doesn't cost you a dime to have this, just your time to install it. The features which I'll list right here are as follows. 1, you can easily return to an object after accidentally clicking away. 2, you're able to drag and drop from the history window into a scene or into the inspector field. 3, you can favorite or star objects that you return to frequently. That alone right there is massive. 4, it allows you to double-click an object to open it directly from the history window. 5, your right click now has the ability to ping objects from the history so that you can visually see what's happening, right? 6, and you can drag scene objects into the history window to make them the child of another object. There are other Unity history tools out there, but this one is more streamlined, it's simpler to use with its clean integration, and it has received critical reception upon its announcement from Adam on Twitter. Try this out and let your frustrations be lifted from your shoulders once and for all.